In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Favicon not showing on Wix website. If your Favicon is not appearing on your Wix site, the fix is usually very simple. In most cases, it comes down to uploading the correct image, saving the change properly, and then publishing the website so the update goes live. I will walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website settings and make changes to your site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Settings area, then open Website Settings. This section contains the basic site options, including your Favicon settings. When you are in Website Settings, find the Favicon section. This is the area where you can upload or replace the small icon that appears in browser tabs next to your website name. Keep in mind that this feature is available for sites that have an eligible plan, so if you do not see the option right away, that may be something to check on your account. Next, click Upload Image under the Favicon section. Now choose the image you want to use. Your Favicon should be a square image for the best results. Wix supports PNG, JPG, and SVG files, and a size around 48 by 48 pixels is ideal. Using a clean, simple image usually works best because Favicons appear very small in browser tabs. If the design is too detailed, it may not display clearly. After selecting your image, upload it and make sure it appears correctly in the Favicon area. Once that is done, click Save. This is important because if you leave the page without saving, your Favicon update may not be applied. After saving, the final step is to click Publish on your site. Publishing pushes the change live, and without this step, the updated Favicon may not appear on the public version of your website. If you skip publishing, the change may only remain in the editor or dashboard. Once your site is published, give it a little time to update. In some cases, browsers may take a moment to refresh the Favicon, so if you do not see it immediately, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. That covers everything you need to know.